Hello, I'm Preethika Rathakrishnan. I work as an operations automation engineer in Leica Biosystems since 2021. I work closely with process optimization, digitalization, as well as troubleshooting of mechatronic failures in the production. Every minute, when you are in production, every minute is important. So the more we reduce our takt time, the more is good for the company's growth. So basically, process optimization is making the process more efficient so that it contributes to the efficiency of our output as well as economically also to the company's welfare. Being part of Leica, I feel that not only I contribute to the company's development, but in a way, Leica enhances me in a very multi-dimensional perspective because the tools we use here and continuous improvement is our way of living. And I think in Leica, people follow it very well, I would say, because every single day it is challenging and it is new to me. I learn so many things, and also the various Danaher business tools which we use in solving problems. It is enhancing me more in a very multi-dimensional perspective. I do believe that Leica Biosystems, we have innovation coded in our DNA. The thing is, what makes us more special is that we strive for continuously for this innovation, but we do it in a way from a very cross-functional perspective. It is not just from one point of view. We take customers into integration. We take how it is for the technicians who work on the machines, how we process it in the manufacturing floor. We take each and every person from the cross-functional teams, put them together, and we give a platform for innovation. I find it really fascinating because I'm also being part of this platform where I'm able to share my ideas and everything, and you get to listen to a lot of perspectives. To be honest, the best part of being at my everyday job is that every time when there is a problem, it's like a challenge. Once the whole challenge is done, once we analyze the problem, go to the root cause and make it work, the kind of excitement and the kind of happiness, it just gives me butterflies. At the end of the day, it's these butterflies that makes me come again the next day. I always dreamt of a career with societal impact as well as a purpose. Being an operations automation engineer in Leica Biosystems, it not only gives me an opportunity to work in my most passionate field, but also comes with a greater purpose of advancing cancer diagnostics. I personally have witnessed what it is like to have an inconclusive result in a biopsy. Knowing that we here in Leica Biosystems, we are trying to enhance this cancer diagnosis as we own the complete workflow from biopsy until diagnosis. It's like we change literally this anxiety into answers. So when it comes to the impact, I feel much more the purpose is being served. I'm working for what I wanted in life. We have this strong work culture of winning as a team. Wherever you go, you could see that. When I say winning as a team, it is not just a small team or something. Every event we conduct, for example, a Kaizen event or a workshop, all these have certain stipulated frameworks from Danaher Business Systems. And this business systems makes us sure that each and every person in the team is being involved. The framework is so calculatively stipulated that every member of the team is being involved. And every time when you attend a Kaizen, it's like game-changing for you when you come back to the production and start working. You would explore perspectives which you have never even thought about it from people who are completely different from the field.